In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Samsung TV Plus to normal TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have TV Plus from Samsung and you would like to remove or disable it altogether, you will be able to do this by accessing your applications on the TV. So, before tuning into TV Plus, go back into the home screen and access the apps. So whenever you open the settings or you go back to the menu, you will be able to find all the applications currently installed on your Samsung TV. All that you have to do here is look for this option, Edit List. So usually it will have this icon of a pencil with some lines. All that you have to do is choose this option and you will be able to remove or disable Samsung TV Plus. When you choose Edit List, you will be able to find Move and Remove. Just choose the option to remove when you highlight Samsung TV Plus. And by choosing this, you will be able to remove it. So as you can see, select Disable to delete all Samsung TV Plus channels. You can add it again later by going to the Sources menu. So if for whatever reason you want to re-enable it, it is going to be available under all of the sources. You will have these icons that you can select to add them back into the apps. But all that you have to do now is choose Disable or Remove. If you don't use it at all, I would recommend disabling it because you can just enable it again in the future, or just remove to get rid of the icon. And as long as you do this, your Samsung TV will now be usable as a standard TV without the TV Plus application. So you won't see the menu from Samsung TV Plus, and usually removing it once will be enough to make it go away. If it ever reappears, just repeat the same steps and you will be able to get it removed. And like I mentioned earlier, if you want to add it again, look under the sources and you will be able to find it on your applications again. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Samsung TV Plus to normal TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.